Hola Pepsi Cola! Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I recently purchased a sari from ethnicgroup.com, which is an online website. Most of you guys don't know, I think. It's an online website wherein you get all ethnic stuffs like saris to lehengas to kurtis and everything. So I placed the order on the 7th of April and received it on the 15th of April. So they have mentioned in the website saying it will be delivered within 8 to 10 days. So I got it in like 7 days, which is a thumbs up from my side. There are two options. One is cash on delivery and online payment. So the online payment is only through PayPal. So I didn't have that, so I had to do it COD. Also COD is good for like if you are skeptical about the website, or if you are not sure whether it's gonna come or not, like if you are trying some website for the first time, COD is a good thing. So trust me guys, I've watched several videos on ethnic group reviews on YouTube. So almost everyone gave a positive review, but I saw this one girl who gave a negative review. So I was a bit skeptical. I have a family function which is coming next week, so I thought of purchasing it and reviewing it myself. So here it is. This saree came in this cover, which is, I'm going to throw it now, which is of no use. But they had covered with this zipper cover, which is a good thing also. I'm going to tell you the story behind why I purchased this particular saree, because I have watched almost all the reviews and they have purchased different products. So this saree no one purchased, okay, and I didn't have something like peachy color saree in my wardrobe. Also it's summer now and peaches and pinks and yellows are the color of summer, so I purchased peach one. To tell about this saree before even showing it, so the title is Designer Peach Color Georgette with Zari Embroidery Work Saree. And this is of, if you can see it, it's a peach color saree with pink color blouse. So the saree is 5.5 meter with blouse and saree is 44 inches, and the material is georgette with sequins and embroidery work. And okay, the blouse is heavy shining satin silk with border, I don't know what that means, and unstitched. The fabric is unstitched and the blouse is 1 meter, wash is dry clean. To tell about the rate, it costed me 1799, only 1 rupees less. For 1800 it's 1799. So now let me show you the saree. Okay, I've already seen it obviously. So it comes with a blouse and a saree, as I said before. So the saree color is like this. This is like looking good on the camera, yeah, but there's a but here now. So I'm not gonna lie, when I first opened this, I really didn't like it. I was a bit disappointed because the color was very dull, and for 1799 it was not worth it. But after wearing it, I've tried once, so now it's kind of okay, but the material is not worth the price. And the design, I'll show you. The border is like this, and it has designs in between like this, and the saree is very thin. Maybe the material, the georgette is like that, I don't know, but the color looks good on me. Now coming to the blouse part, it's like this. Maybe I'll open it and show you guys. Okay, I have to give it for stitching, but I didn't like the quality of the blouse either, because the material is very itchy, like you guys get it right. So I'm gonna give it for stitching now, and let's see how the outcome of the saree will be. So I'm gonna read their refund and return policy. So products which you received in damaged or defective or broken condition, products not as per description or photo on the website. Third one is products which you may not like for quality, color and design related issues. Duh. So first we have to send the email to ethnicgroup@gmail.com with images of broken or defective products within 2 days of delivery. So it's already like the second day now, so second or third day, so I'm not gonna return it because I'll tell you. So it's on our own responsibility, the shipping and all. They're not gonna come and take it back. Then why I am not gonna return it, because if it was an other website like a Myntra or something, I would have returned it. But this particular website, I saw this girl's review, so I'm not gonna tell the name. So the manager was very rude with her, and I also read that they're not gonna refund it. So anyway, next week is only the function, so I want it urgently, and so I don't want to take the risk, so I'm not gonna return it. My mom didn't like the saree also, so I have to deal with it, I guess. Hey guys, so it's like 2 to 3 days later, and I've got my blouse stitched, and the design is pretty much simple because it already had the designs and all. It was semi-stitched, so there's just buttons in the back, as you can see, and this tying thing in the back. So it's just a simple basic blouse. So I really like the peach on pink color combination, but it's not worth for 1,799 rupees. So I'm just gonna wear it and show it to you guys. Coupon code which will reduce your shipping charges, that is like 100 rupees, so please don't forget to check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got a little bit idea about ethnicgroup.com. I'm not gonna recommend this website though, simply because I didn't like the quality of the saree, and I've watched other videos also. So if you still want to go and purchase it, I'll put the link in my description box, you can check it out. So you guys can tell me whether it looks good on me or not in the comment section down below. And that's it for the video guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, keep subscribing, keep loving, keep supporting and whatnot. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep eating. Okay, bye guys, love you guys.